how can society benefit from it? In my way, by involving the groups of persons, the marginalized groups of persons of the society, and by improving political participation and independent living of this, not only this, but especially this part of society. That means that's good for our, for the European, and that's good for the democratic well-being in a whole. You have to involve the person from the scratch. If you design a product, if you design a service, you have to involve the touch groups of persons for whom you design, because most often, there is a designer who has an idea, who makes a product, who makes a service, and say, okay, wow, that's so good, that's so cool, that's so whatever, and then when you are going out, for example, the persons, the touch persons, the persons who are addressed by this service, they say, I don't need this. Yeah? For example, if you look at all these telephones, for the elderly people don't want to have a separated telephone. They want to have a smartphone, and they want to use the smartphone in a way that is designed for them, and that's the way how we do this. There's a big smartphone producer, for example, that produces smartphones that are for an assistive technology for blind persons, because they can use it from the scratch. They can buy this smartphone, and they turn on the smartphone, and they can work with it without any assistive technology, without any additional software that they have to install and all these things. And so we have to design it. We have to design it for all. That doesn't mean, as I mentioned before, we don't have to design it in one way. That the solution one fits for all doesn't exist. We have to have a universal design in different branches that takes into consideration the needs of all the persons that are using these products or these services. So you have to ask them. Not the design is in the foreground, the function is in the foreground. Yeah? That means design follows the function and not vice versa. Perhaps in the future we will have another view on AI, and all the professors in my group will kill me now because I'm saying that, yeah. But AI for me is one of these buzzwords. We have AI since a long time, but now we have the attention, and because we now have the attention on AI, we have to use this attention to make a better products, to make better services, with the aim of with the aid of artificial intelligence algorithms. And one of the most important things, perhaps, regarding to the last question, is we have to make another AI system than we have it in some other parts of the world. We have to take into consideration, for example, privacy. The data belongs to the person that is producing this data. I'm not very happy about open data for all persons, because if I can be identified, for example, by an insurance company as being sick, then my rates will go up through the cloud. Yeah? And that's not the thing I want to have. But on the other hand, AI is providing big opportunities for persons with disabilities, not only for persons with disabilities, for vulnerable persons, but regard all two sides of the coin. The one is the chance and the big opportunity for improvement, and the other one is there are also problems, and not only problems, there are also dangers that could lead to marginalization of these vulnerable groups by using AI technology and using AI services and products. This concludes this unit. Thank you for watching.